Mistake number 1. Ignoring a legal notice or lawsuit. When you receive a notice, it's like an alarm bell ringing in the legal world. Yet, so many people ignore them, thinking it will go away. But it doesn't. Ignoring a lawsuit often results in what's called a default judgment, meaning the court rules in favor of the other party by default. You could lose money, property, or even face jail time depending on the situation. Number 2. Not having a will. It's a common misconception that only the wealthy need wills, but that's not true. Without one, the state decides who gets what, which can lead to family feuds, prolonged probate, and even the unintended distribution of your assets. It's critical to leave clear instructions for your loved ones, ensuring your estate is distributed according to your wishes. Mistake number 3 is signing contracts without reading them. Contracts are legally binding documents, meaning you're committing to everything in them, even the fine print. This could involve anything from a phone contract to a lease. And remember, if there's something you don't understand, consult a lawyer. Never feel pressured to sign without understanding all terms. Number 4. Failing to pay taxes or underreporting income. Tax evasion is not only a costly mistake, it's a crime. The IRS and other tax agencies don't take it lightly. In serious cases, you can face massive fines, interest on back taxes, and even jail time. The lesson? Report all your income honestly. It may be tempting to underreport, but the risk is simply not worth it. Number 5. Not updating beneficiary designations. This might seem like a minor detail, but if your beneficiary designations are outdated, your assets could go to the wrong person. Whenever there's a major life event, like a marriage, divorce, or birth, review your designations. Number 6 is mixing personal and business finances. When you blur these lines, you risk personal liability if your business faces legal trouble. This mistake can expose your personal assets to creditors, which could cost you everything. Number 7. Failing to keep records. In both personal and professional life, keeping clear records is essential. Receipts, contracts, emails, these documents could protect you in a dispute or serve as evidence if you're sued. Number 8 is not seeking legal advice. Sometimes people try to save money by handling legal issues alone. But without proper knowledge, you might end up costing yourself more in the long run. Mistake number 9 is posting incriminating evidence online. In today's world, even a single social media post can be used against you. From fights to admissions of guilt, online posts can serve as powerful evidence in court. Finally, mistake number 10. Not understanding your employment rights and obligations. From overtime pay to discrimination laws, knowing your rights can protect you from unfair treatment. And employers understanding your obligations can help avoid costly lawsuits. These mistakes may seem small, but they can have lasting effects. Take your time, consult a lawyer when needed, and never underestimate the importance of understanding the legal side of life. It's the best way to protect yourself, your assets, and your future.